Lab 4 is the potentiometer lab, so you're going to learn about what a potentiometer does. Now when you assemble your circuit, you're going to notice that the potentiometer has 3 different pins on it. This is our potentiometer here. Now the outside pins, it doesn't matter if you call it 1 or 3, but the middle pin is definitely pin 2. Okay? So how do we connect it? Our circuit diagram shows us that pin 2 is leading to the LED, which then goes to the resistor and the battery. And pin 1 comes from the battery. So looking over at our connection, I've attached the battery down here so I don't, by mistake, knock it out. And here you can see that we have pin 1 coming from the battery. Pin 2 is waiting to be connected. Pin 3 is also waiting to be connected. And in our observations, we're going to observe what happens if we've connected pin 1 and 2, and also observe what happens if we connect pin 1 and 3. So first of all, let's connect pin 2, which is the blue wire here. So the blue wire is going to go to the LED. So I'm just going to connect it in here, hopefully. And you can see the LED turns on. Yay! Okay, now the potentiometer on the top, it has a little arrow, and I'm going to turn it. So right now the arrow goes to the left, and I'm just going to turn this, and as I turn it to the right, see what is going on with the LED, and now I turn it back counterclockwise. So I turn it clockwise, and look what's happening. And I turn it counterclockwise, and look what happens. Can you see a light there? It's not actually out. Turning it clockwise, woo, counterclockwise. Aww, looks so sad. Tiny little light. Okay, so we see something is very definitely happening when we turn that potentiometer when we're connected. From which pin was that? The one in the middle, what do we call that? Pin 2. Okay, going to pin 3 now. We're going to connect this one and see if there's any difference at all. So, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, pin 3. Do you see any light there? Okay, so now turning the potentiometer knob counterclockwise and turning the potentiometer knob clockwise. What's going on? Anything? What do you think? Turning it back and forth like I did before, but this time we are not connected to pin 2. We're only connected to the outside pins, so that's 1 and 3. So I hope you notice a difference. I hope you're going to be able to fill in your observations with the difference between 1 and 2, and when we take out 2 and connect to 3 instead. Okay, so you've got your lab to do, and good luck. Hopefully you can figure out what your potentiometer is.